begin with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the most Rahman and the Rahim. I am Mr. Quaid from class 5th. No one will be remembered, no one will be respected, but he who fought for others, his name will be erected. No one will be saluted, but he who worked for others, his patient will be resaluted. Mr. President and dear audience, Assalamu alaikum to all. I want to express my feelings about a person who was committed in his nature, hardworking in his work, dedicated in his profession, responsible in his field, social in his behavior, truthful in his narration, trustworthy in his interest, and ultimately leader in his time. But it should be said that he is leader of all time. Yes, I am talking about Quaid Muhammad Ali Jinnah. When Quaid came back to subcontinent, Muslim all lost their respect. They were plugged into darkness of illiteracy, and all our progress had been shut down on them. Then the sun rose, and they watched it. A beam of light shone up high. A beam of light shone up high, and high was spark, high up in the sky. This light was known. This light was great. It brightened their future. It brightened their fate. Quaid convinced that freedom, freedom, and just freedom has only solution to maintain the peace in that region. He raised his voice that the night of darkness has set out. The ray of new morning is about to shine. The cruelty of people should be forgotten. The place of respect is all for mine. Dignity, respect, order, and the value of grace. If given to all, it would be then fine. God gave a new hope to Muslims, and they all gathered under a single flag of freedom. God helps those who help themselves. So the great wish to get a separate homeland was fulfilled. Pakistan came into being. God proved that a big battle could be won, performing on the model of work and just work. God won an independent state for billion of Muslims. All were wandering. He collected all were helpless. He stopped them to fall. He took a case. He awakened the people. He lived for others. The star of freedom will shine forever. The shadow of slavery, no and never. The name of Pakistan will remain forever. Invade of other nation, no and never. No interference will be barred in future. No driving will be allowed to join. The green and white flag will wave in the sky. The green and white flag will wave in the sky. It will flare in the wind like a victory sign. Today I appeal to all my fellows that leave the sack, kick the head, become one to make progress, because by doing so, South of Quaid Muhammad Ali Jinnah will remain in peace and rest. Ameen. Thanks for listening me, and Allah Hafiz.